Investing in digital real estate involves acquiring and profiting from virtual properties such as domain names, websites, and online businesses. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in digital real estate. Research and educate yourself. Gain a thorough understanding of digital real estate, including the various types of virtual properties and the market dynamics. Learn about domain names, websites, e-commerce stores, and other digital assets. Define your investment strategy. Determine your investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Decide whether you want to focus on buying and selling domain names, flipping websites, or building and growing online businesses. Identify investment opportunities. Conduct thorough market research to identify attractive digital real estate opportunities. Explore domain marketplaces, online business marketplaces, and platforms where digital properties are listed for sale. Evaluate potential investments. Assess the potential of each investment opportunity based on factors such as domain quality, website traffic and revenue, niche demand, growth potential, and competition analysis. Consider using valuation metrics and financial analysis to make informed decisions. Conduct due diligence. Perform a comprehensive due diligence process on the digital property you are interested in. Review its history, traffic sources, revenue streams, content quality, search engine optimization, and any associated legal or contractual obligations. Negotiate and acquire the property. Once you have identified a suitable digital property, negotiate the terms of the acquisition with the seller. Finalize the transaction by transferring funds and acquiring the necessary ownership rights. Manage and monetize the asset. After acquiring the digital property, develop a strategy to maximize its value. This may involve improving the website's design and functionality, optimizing content, driving traffic, and monetizing through advertising, affiliate marketing, or e-commerce. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your digital real estate investments. Track key metrics such as traffic, revenue, and conversion rates, and make necessary adjustments to enhance profitability. Consider selling or scaling. Depending on your investment strategy and goals, you may choose to sell the digital property for a profit or scale it further by adding new features, expanding content, or exploring new revenue streams. Remember, investing in digital real estate requires ongoing research, market awareness, and the willingness to adapt to changing trends.